Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Here I am at the museum, EXPORAIL, and I'm in shed number 5. And this is on the far wall. So these are a line of trams from their collection. And this really cool tram was from Montreal. So this is a scenic tram. It's open, and it's kind of like a theater seating. They have a kind of a pole up here, and that's to connect the wire, the overhead wire, with the mechanism. But because it's open, you need that kind of pole in the middle there. The theater seating is neat on this thing. Number 3. Let me get a better shot of it. So intricate. It's a shame, really, they shut down the tramway system on the mountain, because this would have been great as a tourist attraction to keep these cars and run them up the mountain. So we have a second thing here. This is a crane, and it's mounted on a self-propelled kind of car. Now this would be used to lift machinery and to fix the catenary, I suppose. Doesn't say what company used it. Excuse me. But all companies had a similar system for maintenance of their catenary system. Now this is an MTC, Montreal Transit Corporation trolley car from the turn of the century, I'd imagine. It's funny how they don't really care about people hanging off of it. It's got a kind of a walkway there, running board. And the next one over here is a PCC, President's Transit Commission, PCC car. Now, a lot of North American railroads, North American transit agencies rather, that had streetcars were using these in the late 40s and 50s. So these were pretty standard, almost like the new look buses of their time. You'll notice that it's written in both English and French here. And you weren't allowed to board on this middle door.
Tu vois ici, Mamie Claire, elle était née. Elle était pas vieille, mais elle était née. Elle était quoi? Oui, elle avait à peu près ton âge.
Ça, c'est un wagon de tramway parce qu'il y a une perche. Une roue.
This one actually does have a thing you can read in both English and French. Montreal Transit Corporation. Those would have been the newest of the trams. And we have an older one from the era of the 30s and 40s. from the wartime era, I'd say. Again, it's got that really cool T. And that was even in the 80s. It went up to the 80s on buses. Again, written in French and English. Let's see if we can see inside. Oh, you can see the seats. Very Spartan seats. Be really cool if you could get inside. And this one was green and cream for some reason. And let's see what we got here. $9.91. Again, the paint is cracked. I really wish they could actually this is $9.97. $9.87. I guess $9.97. Yeah, okay. So I misread it even. And you can't really see inside this. Yeah, you actually can, eh? The one thing this museum really needs to do is fix it so you can walk inside of these things. So that's what it looked like inside. It has these railings here, so people would hang around, get on, probably pay there. And there is one left. I'll check it out on the other side as well. This is an Ottawa Transit. Single. It's got only 4 wheels. This would be really from the turn of the century. And I mean 1900s, early 1900s. Before this, they would have horse-drawn trams, and this one would be one of the first electric trams. And this one has a name, Grinder. Too funny. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal, and I'll bring you a little more of the different exhibits here at the EXPORAIL. Have a good day.